All right, so we're hanging out, waiting for Tina to get here. She is our first Built by RTR customer. I cannot wait to unveil and deliver her her Mustang RTR. This is gonna be awesome. What's up? How are you? I like those too. Nice to meet you. Welcome. What's up? I'm Vaughn.
I'm a hugger too.
Okay, let's do it. How you doing? Shall we? You ready to see this thing?
I am so ready. I'm pumped.
Are we good? Are we good, boss? All right. Here we go. I'll Vanna White this thing for you right now.
All right, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
Oh my God. This is awesome. You guys did an amazing job.
You look good in it. I did already pre-sign it.
Awesome.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Just got real. Boom. There you go.
Thank you so much.
No, thank you. It's this is exciting, and I'm grateful and glad that you like it.
There's not very many times that I'm at a loss for words, but this is it.
Awesome.
This is it. Thank you so much.
I'm not gonna get too crazy. I'm gonna respect your tires. All right, you ready?
All right, let me put my sunglasses on. I'm ready.
We had a great ride. I ended up getting something. That couldn't have been any more successful. Tina is so pumped. We even got to get in on a little birthday surprise from her husband who's overseas, and took her for a rip.
And so, seriously?
Well, you know, this is actually her car. Got pulled over, but it was still smiles on faces all the way around. So big thanks to our team, Built by RTR. Let's get it.